Hi lawyers, and happy holidays to you. This week's content is a continuing quick case study on meta ads. We've been running meta ads for a law firm for the past month, and we've had 18,661 people view our ads. We've had 13,868 people engage with our ads, which means that they clicked on something or they thumbs up it or they made a comment. We've had 663 link clicks, which means whatever the ad was asking them to do, they clicked on that link. So maybe they went to a landing page or the website, or they called us, and we did have 112 calls based on the ads and 49 well-vetted leads who gave us their contact information, and we reached out to them and spoke to them and followed up with them. In total, we've spent $1,116 on meta ads to kick up all this excitement. Here's a quick reminder. Don't forget that retargeting these people is super important. According to MailChimp, 97% of people who visit your site or just see one ad, basically they're lost forever. One ad is not going to do it. So I wanted to remind you also that I do still have my retargeting ads course, which just walks you through the whole meta interface, which is not easy. It's a tricky interface. And I walk you through it step by step, showing you exactly how to retarget people in meta ads, whether they visited your website and you want to retarget them, or they've seen an ad, or they've been to your page. It's a very powerful tool for getting brand new clients in the door. Also, just reminding you that we do handle all of your meta ads and create all of your media for you. If you need some help, I'd love to talk to you more about it. You can reach out to me anytime, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much.